Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable allow this phone to be found with Find My Mobile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on lost device protection, and here you will see a allow this phone to be found button. So if you want to disable allow this phone to be found, then turn off this button, and to turn it off you have to enter your Samsung account password to verify your identity, and after entering the password, the allow this phone to be found will be disabled. And if you want to enable it again, then tap on this button again to turn it on, and then the allow this phone to be found will be turned on. So that's how you can enable or disable allow this phone to be found with Find My Mobile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.